新疆再次发生动乱，中国官方表示至少有7个人死亡。据 CNTV 报道，2名嫌犯挟持了一辆卡车，刺伤驾驶之后，开着车冲向路边行人，随后还有多名群众被刺伤。
The violence on Saturday night took place on a food street in the city of Kashgar. 6 people died on the spot and 28 others were injured. One of the suspects was killed during the clash. The other has been apprehended. 2 blasts were also heard before that incident. One occurred in a minivan, while the other was on the food street where the hijacking took place.
09年乌鲁木齐的暴动还历历在目，现在克什又陷入危机。为什么新疆冲突事件不断 ？Euronews 认为导火线是汉族与回民的紧张关系。
Xinjiang is home to many ethnic Muslim Uyghurs, some of whom resent the growing influence of the majority Han Chinese. 18 people died in an attack on a police station 2 weeks ago, described by the authorities as terrorism.
英国《每日电讯报》报道，对宗教信仰的不自由是局势的紧张诱因之一。此外，许多维吾尔人对于不断迁居到当地的汉族人非常不满，说汉人主宰了当地的经济。虽然北京已经将大量资金投入该区建设，少数民族的失业率仍然高居不下。那些为数不多的就业者也是受雇于国营公司，他们开发着新疆丰富的石油、天然气、煤和矿产。英国 Sky News 认为，这一次的新疆暴动真相难明，尽管众说纷纭，信息来源主要都还是来自于中国的新华社。官方报告中将冲突描述为恐怖分子的攻击，但是维吾尔族活动人士说，卷入冲突的根本是普通百姓，并指责中国当局企图阻止相关信息的外流。美国之音认为，那是因为中国政府仍然对新疆实施严格的通讯管制，外界也很难进入新疆。所以，如果你想要独立调查、核实双方说辞，那将会是一场徒劳。多元视角真实报道，我是吕嘉玲，这里是 Newsy China。